Acura will throw it back to the 90s this weekend with the debut of the restored and reimagined 1997 Acura SLX, the brand's first SUV and first all-wheel drive vehicle, at the RADwood Car Show in Orange County on Saturday, December 7th. Built specifically for RADwood, the SLX's original 3.2-liter V6 4-speed automatic and conventional 4x4 drivetrain were swapped out for Acura's latest and greatest performance technology, a 350 horsepower race-tuned 2.0-liter VTEC Turbo, 10-speed automatic transmission, and the fourth generation of Acura's torque vectoring super handling all-wheel drive system.
Not that many of these.
What even is it?
Well, it's a lot of things.
Well, I would say it's more Bigfoot than unicorn, but you do you, okay? It's your car truck thingy.
Yes, it is.
Like the SLX, huh?